Hello guys, today our video is about our case study assignment. Before we begin our video, I would like to introduce my group mates. Let's go. Hello guys, in this part of the video, I would like to show how we do the individual test for the case study task. Here as you can see, I record myself a day before I let my group mates solving the algorithm, and it took me about 7 minutes and 31 seconds to get the answer, which was 59. The reason I'm doing it earlier because I will be monitoring the next day activities. This is to ensure all my group mates get the same answer. Not to mention, I also look good in here. And this was the boys run the algorithm, and that's me. On my observation, they are easy to monitor since they didn't ask a lot of questions. And for the second phase of recording, the girls start to run and we had a little problem, but everything is fine and smooth.
For this question, we have 16 edges and 9 vertices, each with their own weights. First of all, what we did was we deleted the edge BC but not CF. This is because if we deleted the edge CF, then C would be an isolated vertex. We then proceeded by deleting the edge BE, FH, HI, EF but not FI and BF. This is because if we deleted the edge FI, I would be an isolated vertex. Whereas if we deleted the edge BF, then edge CF will not be connected to any of the edges.
For AB, you don't need to delete the edges because CF and FI will be disconnected. For AE and GH, you can delete the edges. For AD, you don't need to delete the edges because AB, BC, CF and FI will be disconnected. For DE, you can delete the edges, and lastly, for DG, DH and EH, you don't need to delete the edges because E will be isolated vertex. This will be the final graph, and the minimum spanning tree is 59.
So this is statistic for recorded time of solving prim algorithm case study question. We have 7 competitors. So the first one is Zainul. For the time is 7.31. Nurnaja 6.21, Suhaili 9.44, for Nigel 11.59, Razi 13.52, Ehsan 12.01, Nazatul 14.44, and Christine is 20.45. So the total time is 1 hours 36 minutes 57 seconds. So maximum time is 20 minutes and 55 seconds. For the average time for 7 competitors is 12 minutes 7 seconds.
So this is the pie chart for our recorded time of solving Prim's algorithm case study question. From the pie chart, it is clear that Naja is the fastest at solving the Prim's algorithm with only a 7% difference between 7 competitors. The medium time taken is Nigel with just a 12% difference, and the longest time taken is me, Christine, which takes a 22% difference between 7 competitors. In conclusion, the chart clearly shows that not all competitors can solve the case study question in a short time.
So for the solving of the Prim's algorithm, what was the challenge that you had?
One of the issue was mistakenly at the wrong edges. I was nervous and carelessly at all yes edges as my minimum spanning tree. This kept repeating until I realized that the step is wrong and I shouldn't have at the yes edges. Other than that, it took me a while to verify all the edges since leaving any edges or insert wrong value in the table will cause error. And this is why I take it slow while filling the table.
So, how did you manage to solve the algorithm faster than others?
Because I did practice and revise every single step to make sure my answer is correct. And also not to mention that I thought this was a competition.
To report our progress, we choose Gantt chart to present our data. The first activity is planning. We plan our tasks on 1st to 5th of October. After the planning, we proceed to run a test for everyone using the case study question and record time for each member on the 10th and 12th October. Once we done collecting all record data, we implement a statistic and pie chart to verify and details who took the shortest and the longest to solve the algorithm. On 23rd and 24th October, we conduct an interview and discussion with our group mates to verify the problems and solution for our case study task. We started our editing with the videos on 10 October till 2 November. That is all from us today. Thank you.
Hello and hi, my name is Muhammad Aisan. Today I will present about the problem and solution. For the problem is, it took a while to locate and identify all edges and verify that the table is error-free. For the second problem is, mistakenly count the wrong edges and false step to get the minimum spanning tree answer.
Now, I will find the solution for the problem that Aisan presented just now. The solution one is practice the algorithm more to sharpen your eyes and be able to see if there were any mistake. The second solution is try to understand and revise more about the steps since all the steps are important to make sure the answer is correct. Thank you. This is all from me.